welcome to Home Embrace. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be making a do-it-yourself candle display in an apothecary jar. We're going to clean this glass first, get it all nice and shiny, and then we will get started in a minute. The supplies I used were actually from the dollar store. These pink roses came in a package, I believe, of 6. I did buy 2 packages of those roses to make this display, and the rock also came in the netting from the dollar store. And I'm going to firstly do the first layer with the rock, just a flat layer, thin layer. And I'm going to start using my pink roses to line the sides with 1 layer starting first. There we go. And then in the center, we're just going to put a little bit more of the rock, kind of fill in the little gaps on the sides, if you can, of the roses. I found that kind of holds the roses stable so they don't move as much as you're trying to build on top. And we're going to go with the second row now of roses. There we go. It's very easy actually, but it actually turns out nice in the end, I think. Then we just put another layer of rock in between all the roses. Just kind of let them fall where they may. Really no rhyme or reason to it. Just an easy craft. And then as you go up, you do the same thing. You build with your rock. And if you find the roses are getting in the way, you just kind of pull them up again with your hands. And add some more rocks to the side and the center. Just kind of let them fall where they're going to fall. And if the rocks, like I say, get in the way, you just pull them up, pull it up with your hands. This one's giving me a little bit of trouble, so I'm going to put a little bit more rock to keep it stabilized. There we go. I love these little crafts because they're just so easy, but they look really nice in the end. I thought this would be a nice display for this season. I like to change out the apothecary jars with all different kinds of display items, so this is just one of them I thought of that you might like to try. And there we go. We're just going to stabilize more of the roses, building up, letting the rock kind of fall down the way it's going to fall. And in the end, we are actually going to, in a minute, put the candle in the middle once I get these centered on the sides. Finish up the last bit of the rock now. Try to get every little piece I can. And there we go. All right, so I think we're almost done. Now we can put the candle in our center. Just have to wiggle it down a little bit to make sure you get it low enough and stable. Straighten it up a little bit. Tuck the roses down. You can move the roses around as you wish. And done. There we go. If you liked today's video, give a like and subscribe.